Hello, everybody. Welcome to Just Big VANESSA-VIPB. I am tired. Both of my tripods are broken, and I need a new one. New ones. I did put in an order on Amazon for the small one, but I need a bigger tripod. I don't know what in the Donkey Kong is going on, but tripods don't last long. They get broken so easy. So I am sitting outside trying to keep from going inside of my van because it's overcast today. Excuse me, y'all. It's overcast today and it's not that hot. But of course, the desert heat is still very drying. The wind is drying. So I'm a little dehydrated. So I need to get me something to drink. But because it's overcast today and it's been overcast all day, I don't have that much solar. So I want to conserve it for tonight. So I'm just going to sit outside so I don't have to run my fan. But I am actually tired. I still have some editing to do. I finished editing about 4 or 5 videos yesterday. I'm filming this video now, and I'm going to go ahead and upload it and edit it and then put it out and film a couple of more videos and upload and edit them so they can come out tomorrow. So I guess I'm going to have 2 videos coming out tomorrow. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that because I got some information about my trailer that's probably going to come out tomorrow. But anyway, y'all, I want to talk about credit cards. As y'all know, I just paid off 2 credit cards. But guess what, y'all? Somebody else sent me another credit card, interest-free for a year. What they do that for? Oh my goodness. Now let me tell y'all something. I don't really want no more credit cards, but I be having a lot of companies sending me credit cards. But if it's not interest-free, it ain't for me. They be talking about zero. You got to watch them because they'll send you a credit card and how they put zero something zero, but it's not. If it don't say interest free for a year, it's not for me. You can send me as many credit cards as you want. I am not biting. I am not going to charge a penny to a credit card that do not have interest free for a year. So give me a credit card interest free for a year with a nice credit limit and I'll take it. Thank you very much. So they sent me, I'm not going to say what company, sent me a new credit card, interest-free for a year. And I was like, right on time. So, sister, so I took the interest-free credit card for a year. And I've been having it for a few months. But I haven't charged anything up on it. Well, I put a few things on it that I know I'll pay off at the end of every month. Sometimes that's what I do with credit cards. I'll charge what I normally would buy for the month, like gas and stuff like that, and then I'll just pay it off at the end of the month. I don't even let it. And this company, I had a credit card with them before, and they pissed me off, and I called to cancel it, and then they kept sending me these messages, we miss you, we miss you, we miss you. I was like, I bet you do. We miss you, we miss you, we miss you. And then they're going to send me one and say, this is you have been pre-approved for this amount and interest-free for a year. I say, okay, I'll stop ignoring you now. Thank you very much. But I ignored them for about a year because they made me mad. And they making me mad again. So I think I'm going to charge something else to that credit card. And then I'm going to pay it off and close it. And then I'm not fooling with that company no more. I'll eventually tell y'all what company it is. But yeah, I don't like them. I don't like them. I ain't too fond of them. But anywho, y'all, I was just coming on here to let y'all know that they sent me another credit card, interest-free. If anybody else out there got an interest-free credit card, you could send me one for $5,000 credit limit, $10,000 credit limit, $20,000 credit limit, $100,000 credit limit. Girl, I know somebody in real life that had $100,000 credit limit, and girl, they could get cash advances on it. And they got interest free. I was like, what? They had good credit, child. So, like I told y'all in another video, credit sometimes can be better than cash, but you have to know how to use it and not abuse it. And just because somebody send you a credit card, y'all, my hand getting tired, my tripods are broken. Just because somebody send you a credit card, don't take every credit card that people send you. I get by 10 credit cards in the mail a month. You've been pre-approved. You've been pre-approved. You've been pre-approved for $3,000. I don't accept them. If it do not say, I'm trying to think of what one way that they phrase it, zero something, but no, if it don't say zero interest, and if they do not give you a year of interest free, don't take it. Don't take it. And don't worry, somebody else gonna send you one with interest free. And don't abuse it. Like, if you don't need it, don't use it. And if you know that you're not going to be able to pay it, my goal is, when I accept a interest-free credit card, is to have that credit card paid off by the time the year is up. So that way I won't have to pay all that interest. And that way after that, thank you very much. I needed the credit at that time. But if it's not a credit card that I want to continue to use, and sometimes I just use credit cards, like I say, just to charge stuff for the month, to keep track of all of my purchases for that month on one card, and then I pay it off at the end of the month. So I only charge things that I actually literally have the money for in my checking account, like gas and food and anything that I was going to purchase during that month and I was going to pay cash for it. I go ahead and charge it to the card, and then at the end of the month pay the card all the way off. They don't like that. They don't like that. But that's also building your credit. And it is, and some people say it's not building your credit, but if you listen to people that don't have good credit, you ain't gonna get nowhere. You ain't gonna get nowhere. I mean, if you want to, you could pay a little bit on it, but why pay a little bit on something when you're gonna be charged all of that interest? If you have the money to pay that card off in full every month, pay it off in full. That's after the interest free. Now, if you're in between the period of the interest free, you don't have to pay it off every month. Just as long as you pay it off by the time the interest-free expires. But after that time that interest-free expire, girl, you better pay that card off every month and don't be paying them people 25% interest, 29% interest, 39% interest on something that you could have paid cash for. Now, if y'all have any questions about building credit, about rebuilding credit, and do not worry if you have had bad credit before. Do not worry, because you can rebuild your credit. Do not worry if you've had a repossession or a foreclosure or anything like that, especially if you've never done bankruptcy. I've never done bankruptcy before, but I have voluntarily repoed 2 vehicles, and I still got good credit. So you can listen to people that don't know nothing about nothing, and you can listen to people that just yap at the mouth, or you can listen to somebody that has literally rebuilt their credit over again, even after they did repos. And I don't think I rebuilt my credit after I did repos. I don't think the repos really affected my credit, because I still had credit in good standing with other situations. So, and then if y'all don't know, like some things that are on your credit and you thinking, oh, I had a voluntary repo, after 7 years, those things go bye-bye. And when them companies are sending you, if a company send you something and they say, we'll forgive this debt if you pay this amount right now, that's just another company that bought the old debt. If I didn't pay, ooh, girl, I think they need a new air conditioner. If I didn't pay the other company, what makes you think I'm gonna pay you because you bought the debt? But that's what some companies do. They buy the debt. And y'all beware of, some companies will pull your credit and they'll start sending you a bill for fake companies, not real companies. I've had somebody do that to me before. Girl, I'm going to do a story time on that. I'm going to do a story time. I'm going to do a story time on that. I had to curse them people out. Child, I was like, you must be absolutely crazy if you think you're going to get some money out of me. And they was like, well, we're going to repo your car. I was like, come and get it. I'm going to do a story time on that. Come and get it. Because it ain't nowhere to be found for you to come and get. Because you's lying. You're absolutely lying. So, yeah. Anywho, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I just want to let y'all know that another credit card company sent me another credit card, y'all. They sent me another credit card, interest-free, for a year, and the credit limit is thousands of dollars. Who going shopping? Y'all tell me in the comments below if y'all think I'm going shopping, or I am. I think a lot of people think, because you always see me shopping and you always see me doing this and that, I think people think that I am a shopaholic, which I am. But there's a method to my madness that some people don't even know about. Like, you just, whatever, you just assume a lot. But there's a method to the madness, and yeah, I like to shop, but I am very conservative, and I don't have an addiction when it comes to, because I could save, baby. I could save and I could not spend. And if I do feel that I'm doing something that I could be saving something, I would just restrain. And then I'll just ask God, God, help me, Lord. I don't want to spend no more money right now. I want to save. I want to budget. I want to pay some bills off of this and that. I ask God for strength. Y'all, I think it's about the rain. I think I feel some raindrops. The sky is looking so, I don't know if y'all could see, but the sky is looking so overcast, and it's been looking like this all day long. So anywho, y'all, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And leave a comment in the comments bar below and let me know what you think I'm going to do with this credit card, interest-free, for a year. Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And you might find out what I am going to do with this credit card, interest-free, for thousands of dollars. Bye now. Thanks for watching.